tree hit the house and just rolled right off, is insurance still going to cover it? Because if a tree hits your house and then is now sitting 10 feet away by the time they get there, it's not on it anymore. Is it still an emergency? Are they going to cover it? Sounds like such a simple question, but this is where a lot of homeowners and contractors accidentally lose the argument before it even starts, because insurance looks at a tree sitting on a house very differently than a tree that is sitting on the house at first and then rolls off and is now 5 or 10 feet away. Could be the same tree, same damage, same storm, but a completely different coverage conversation. And here's the most important part that people miss. The question is not just did the tree hit the house, but better, does that tree have to be moved in order for the home to be protected, inspected, or repaired? Think about it like stepping on a piece of glass. If the glass is stuck in your foot, the doctor has to remove it before they can clean and treat the wound. But if the glass already fell out and is laying on the floor, the doctor will only treat your foot because that's all they need to do. They may not do anything with the glass on the floor. Same thing with tree claims. It can work the same way. If the tree is still on your roof, that is actually a much stronger emergency argument. The house may be open to rain. The roof may need to be tarped. That tree may still be shifting, and crews may not be able to safely protect the home until the tree is removed. But if that tree hit the house, rolled off, and is now laying in the yard, that question changes. Is that tree still stopping the repair, or is it just debris sitting nearby? That's a huge difference. So, for example, let's say the tree was damaging the siding. If the siding company cannot safely replace the siding because the tree is still blocking it, then maybe part of that tree needs to be cut and removed. But that doesn't always mean that the entire tree removal is automatically part of the claim. Sometimes the stronger argument isn't just should insurance pay for the whole tree. Sometimes they might only pay to remove part of it. So in cases where it does roll off, it might be a good idea to talk to the insurance and the customer and get a pre-approval involved. So, homeowners, before anything gets moved, take videos, show where that tree hit, show where it landed, and show whether it is still touching the house. Show whether it is blocking the roof, siding, windows, doors, driveway, or just safe access in general. Show whether it is cracked, unstable, hung up. There's so many things that you need to just document and take care of. And contractors, you have to do this times 10. You have to be super careful. You can't just write tree removal and expect that to explain the whole job. Show the reason, show the hazard, show the blocked access, and show why the home could not be safely protected, inspected, or repaired until that tree was removed. That's actually why we built tools like BuildingSidekick.com, because a lot of contractors do the hard emergency work, but then their notes, photos, and invoices don't tell the full story. And when the story is not clear, this claim gets so much harder, because if the tree is sitting on the house, the emergency is usually easier to understand. But if the tree rolled off and it's already on the ground, the argument gets so much weaker if you don't have your ducks in a row.